Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome to my Instagram. Taking a walk for today. Today is Sunday morning, and guys, it's so beautiful today. So I'll let you go with me to take a walk on this beautiful weather here in Quebec, Canada. I'll show you all the beauty of this uh, place that I'm living. Very quiet, peaceful, and we are all surrounded by trees. There you go. Show you. Oh, just a second. So come take a walk. Come to take a walk with me, and I'll show you a bit our place. This time it's about 12 o'clock in noon, and I will enjoy the weather for today a bit. So I'm taking with you guys to take a walk with me. So have fun to take walk. I'm rattling my English though. Sorry about that. So guys, this is a very beautiful day to take a walk, enjoy the weather. This is my place where I live in Quebec, Canada. During September or October, the weather is so nice. So I'll take you with me when I'm walking like this way. A bit cooler. The weather is not that bad. Very nice blue sky. I decided to take a walk just to enjoy the fresh weather, breathe fresh air, and just to show you guys, this is a little bit secluded area, but it's very, very quiet. As you can see all over, I'll show you a bit. I'm a nature lover, so guys, I'd rather stay on the place where it's quiet, peaceful, and lots of trees. I love nature, so guys, this is my place, a quiet place. Smile even though you are not in the place where still pandemic crisis are still on. But as I said, forget about that for a while and just have fun. Look on the brighter sides of the world. Live every moment, laugh every day, and enjoy the weather as it is. I know some places are still very, very hot, especially in the Philippines. Yeah. Hi guys, shout out to all of you guys there. My foodie girls, shout to all of you on the Instagram. This is me. During the week, I always used to take a walk or bike. So this is my hobby, and it's a quiet place to do that. Just uh, taking a walk over the neighborhoods as it is. Shouts to everybody. You might think there is a bear in there. There is none. But There's some places that are secluded like this. It's all full of surrounded of trees, and I'm used to it. Walking around the neighborhood with the trees like this one. So why not enjoy the weather at this day? Because the weather is so cool and so nice. Shout out to the foodie girls of the Philippines. This is me, Sides, from Quebec, Canada. Autumn season is here right now, so I'm just enjoying the beauty of it. So come with me and take a walk. See the beautiful nature I had in here. By the way, I'll show you guys. There is a... I don't know if I can enter over here. I would like to see the lake. I'm entering into the lake area. Oh, just a second, I'll show you guys. This is a lake, a small lake that you can stay and just relax. As you can see over here, there, this is a lake close to our place. So some people are staying here to just have fun and relax. Oh, somebody is doing a fire burning. So guys, this is again a little bit tour of the place where I'm living. You might notice I was surrounded by all trees, but it's a beautiful place. As you can see behind me. Oh, there you go. This is a lake where I used to go around winter, summer, and fall. And today is a very nice day, so I enjoyed might as well to have a take a walk with me. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe on my channel. This is a regular uh, road vlog, so I'm showing it to you guys how the beauty of Quebec in the nature where I'm living here. Oops, sorry. Thank you guys for watching me, and I'll show you more of this later on. Have a nice day and enjoy your week. From Canada to yours, especially in Philippines. Hi Philippines, mga kabayan. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Hi foodie girls of the Philippines, foodie communities on my Instagram. I'm lost. So I'll continue to take a walk and show you more about my nature walking on this day of Sunday morning. Let's take the advantage with these things. So see you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, I'm still walking. Don't forget, I'm having a mask, so just in case somebody check me out, I have. So be ready always when you go out. Sometimes they have a checkpoint. I follow my rules. So might as well enjoy the weather at this day, Sunday, which is my off. So I took advantage of the weather after we had our shopping. So I decided to just take a walk and give myself a break to breathe fresh air. Because all week long we are wearing masks at our work. So 8 hours, almost 8 hours a day. So might as well enjoy when you are on the beauty of this nature. So just enjoy the weather, smile, forget about the worries of the world. As I said, as always. So guys, this is it. Hi guys, I'm still walking and just have to take a pause a bit because hi guys, once again I just take a little bit pause because there's one baby who's crying like crazy. And he's yelling more than me. He's in a cranky mood today, so I just turn it up a bit not to be put in my video. So guys, I'm showing you how beautiful the trees of maple. I'll show you these guys too. 360. How beautiful it is. One time I'll take you up in the mountain. Maybe next week. There you go guys. Isn't that beautiful, the tree? That's maple. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. And sorry about that, I'm naughty. I'm just happy as it is when the weather is like this though. So I might as well share it to you guys. So I hope you like it though. Hey, that beautiful tree is nice. So there you go. Wow. So guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe on my channel. I'm usually not posting too many things at this time, but with this kind of weather, I might as well post this one. So this is a raw black, no editing. Thank you guys and have a nice weekend. I hope you like my video, a small video of the weather today. Thanks. Bye for now.